YouTube friends and family. If you're seeing this little clip before the video, it's just to kind of give you a preface that some of these videos that you're going to be seeing are things that I've had in stored. I film on my phone, and although I have like the highest phone storage, it just fills up so quickly with videos. And some videos were done prior to my family loss. And you'll know if you've watched the videos, we did have a death in the family. I suffered with the virus for several weeks, couple of months, and had a hard time recovering. So some of these were done when I was in the middle of, I would start recovering and then I would relapse. And so it was kind of like up and down, up and down. So my voice may sound really shaky or sick. I may not be all there. Mentally, you get a little bit of fog, or it could just be like personal things that were going on. But it's still, sometimes it's still fun, interesting content to see, jewelry or unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and just share the videos that I do have, and just ask that you bear with me, if they're not up to par. Anything that doesn't have this clip anymore, that'll just be new, and I'll kind of say, hey, this is me recording now, currently, but for now, I'll just kind of include this little 2-minute clip at the beginning to let you know that this is an older video. And so I will be kind of changing the way I'm doing things with jewelry and other stuff, because it does get kind of tedious going through, probably close to 100 or more pounds of jewelry and scrap and other things, and it's just a little bit too difficult to kind of do it the way I've been doing it. So I will be switching things up and kind of letting y'all know how I'm going to deal with the bulk and stuff. So I appreciate those of you that have come back, or if you're new, thanks for coming by, and I will see you guys in the video and in the next one. You take care. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, my YouTube friends, viewers, new viewers. If you are new here, thank you for checking out my channel. If you've been here before, thank you for supporting me. I've recently experienced some loss, some illness, and just been on the mend. So I was, ready to kind of get back into things. I need to start working again. It really helps sometimes when you're going through some things, just to jump into work. And, the benefits can be twofold. It's kind of keeping you busy, getting you doing things, and you can make some good money. So for those that are new, my name is Charisma. My channel is Collectibles for Resale, as you see here. I was focusing mainly on jewelry for the last couple months, really getting into it because I love having inventory that is small and easy to store. You can have thousands of pieces of jewelry in, a container, just depending on how big, they are, the pieces. But that is kind of where I was going, because as you get older, it's a little bit harder lugging around big, huge totes of hard goods and clothes and things that are very heavy. So that's kind of where I was going, and I love jewelry, and it's fun whether I sell it or not. And so just to kind of give you a tidbit about me, I've been selling on eBay since about 2008, 2005. I was selling like my son's old clothes in high school and things around the house. So I've been on there probably about 15 years, and I've been selling like pretty consistently for the last 12 years, part-time and then full-time. So I'm a full-time reseller on e-commerce sites, Poshmark, eBay. I'm starting to do some ThredUp. I'm kind of have some videos on that, not only to source, which today we have a ThredUp sleepwear box, but also to sell. And so I'll kind of save that. I'll go into that in another video, kind of just give an update on that. But today I'm going to be unboxing a sleepwear. Now, when these first came out, I think they were $44, and I was like, for 4 pieces of sleepwear? No way. But I did see some good boxes where people got, a bra that retailed for $80, some really cool, like, what is it? Provocateur, I can't remember that. I know that one is very pricey, like celebrities wear that, so it can be pricey. The Rihanna stuff, it was very expensive at first. I don't think it does as well. The Savage Fenty and just Victoria's Secret is like a standard. So don't know what it's going to be in here, but I'm going to guess it's going to be like probably a pajama top. And what I hate, what they kill me, is that either they'll give you one piece or if they do give you a set, they count it as 2 pieces, whereas it should really be 1 piece of your 4 pieces. But nonetheless, this is a gamble. Gamble I took. And the reason that I did is because they have dropped the price by like $20. I think it is $24 now. And I'm in the mid-tier. They go in tiers of like shipping discounts. So I think everybody over $80, $79 is free shipping. I'm in the middle tier, which is if you spend $59 or more, you get free shipping. So I'm not quite yet at there's a $29 and over where you get free shipping. So my good sweet friend Clarissa over at Thriving Thrifters, she is a VIT, a very important thrifter, and I know she gets them free. So this box would have been free shipping for her. So for me, I paid the shipping. Landing here at my doorstep is about 30 something. I'll check the receipt, but you know what, they don't even put it on there, so it doesn't matter. So the shipping is usually $5.99. I think that's the flat rate, so that's 6 plus the 24, that's 30, and then taxes. So not too bad. My cost of goods will be if it came out to about 32, about $8 a piece. And usually with sleepwear, if you get one good bra, you can make that back. So I figured since it's kind of inexpensive now that it's gone down in price, we'll give it a try. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We'll take a look and we will see what the thrift gods have sent me. Now this box, I already took the label, the outside label, because that has personal details off. It just had the return info, and this box was from Arizona, Phoenix, which I know I personally do not want to get a phone box from there because it seems like their phone boxes are horrendous. But I did have an awesome jewelry box there once, and I know that Phoenix sends in their goodie bags, like, I mean, in their fun boxes, they send you goodie bags. So I'm like, I've never gotten one. I would love to. That is like my goal, but I refuse to spend too much on the fun boxes because they haven't been great lately. They were amazing before, but I just think now they're just throwing anything in there. See what hits the wall. So, all right, we've got our iconic green polka dot paper. So do it true mystery style and just kind of pull out one piece at a time. So sleepwear. Okay. Here we have a nice looking bra. Don't know this brand, NYX, but it looks nice. They don't have a retail price, so I'll have to look that up. And I think this is one of those more curated kind of things. It says side wind coverage separation. The NYX fit designed and constructed to be as comfortable as possible. For NYX sizing, go to nyx.com/sizes. And then here it's 6+. So, I mean, it looks like a larger bra for a lady who's got some larger size tatas. And it's got a nice big back, which if you have a larger chest, you know, the more hooks, the better. So, we'll love some good hooks. So, who knows? I don't know if this I'd have to go on the website and figure out, but 6+ is the size. I mean, it looks like quality. It looks well made. So hopefully do some research, see what that is. I may pause it once I've unboxed and then do the real quick research on it and then come back and kind of give an update on the pricing. Oh, another new with tags. That makes me happy. Okay. Linnea Donatella. Sounds familiar. I'm not sure, though. I was going to say, it sounds like Dillard's or Macy's. Yep, it's got a Macy's tag here kind of stuck on there. So, a nice little, I guess, a teddy nightgown. I'm not sure what the difference is. But it's got black. It's beaded. It's got some floral, lacy details. And then it's like see-through. You would wear this for yourself, for your significant other, for your partner, whatever you wanted to do. So here's, it is a size small, but it doesn't look teeny tiny. So 100% polyester. I don't love polyester, but it's pretty. I'm sure it has some resale value. I would imagine I could at least get $10 to $20. So look that up. So I feel like the value of the box is here. So whatever else we get. Ooh, this is very pretty. A little bustier. A little too late to get stuff listed for Valentine's Day, but this would be nice. Let's see. ID Sarieri. Sorry if I'm butchering that. Dark green. Okay, it's got, looks like French. La Naissance d'Aphrodite, something, something. Dark green skin, size 75B. I'm thinking, yeah, it's Euro. Okay, so European 75, UK 34. So I'm going to have to figure out American sizing, but hopefully this is a good brand from overseas. Really pretty. Green, lacy, bustier lingerie or wear. It's very pretty. I like that. So I do feel like the value's here for paying 30. That's at least recouping. And we don't do it to just recoup our money. We wanna make some money. So here we go. What did I say? They proved me wrong. Oh my. Okay. So this is the first, y'all. I have gotten, I don't know how many, just pajama bottoms or tops, usually the tops. And here's a pair, and they sent it together and didn't count it as one. Yay. So I would have kind of been upset if I'd gotten this and not one of the other pieces. So this doesn't look like super high-end or anything, but it's cute. So medium, it's Sioro. Sioro? Not sure. And it's like well, it's polyester. I was going to say, it looks like a silky, satiny. It's a two-piece, long sleeve. It's like dark pink, almost purple. And then it's got the little drawstring pants. Both size medium, matching set. So this is really cute. So we've got that set. That's one. We've got the green little bustier. That is, I don't know what size because it's, oh, and here it tells us fall 17. So that helps. It does have a tag. And this is Hollywood, LA West. So I don't know. I have to figure out what the American sizing equivalent is. And then the black teddy nightgown, whatever you want to call it. Usually you get some Victoria's Secret. I didn't get any today, so I see people opening that. So this was the small, and then the NYX. So if I have time, I will insert another clip after I look these up and kind of tell you what I found as far as resale, retail, and then maybe I'll do a follow-up video if anybody's interested in that. I'm going to start doing some more eBay reselling content, that kind of thing, because that's more of what I do on a day-to-day basis. Jewelry was a small part of it, but it was easier and smaller and could, film that fairly easy. So I appreciate everybody coming back after I've been gone for some time. Not too long, but, just needed a little bit of time to kind of take care of things. So hopefully I can get back into it. I want to post 2 to 3 times a week. I want to get it up to 3 times a week, but right now, that's what she said. That's what he said. So right now I'm just going to be focused on, quality over quantity, just trying to do what I need to do and share like my reseller journey. I think that it can be helpful. I know I've watched a lot of people and they helped me back in the day. So if you've made it to the end, I would so appreciate it if you would give this a thumbs up, like that video. If you could hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the little bell icon, it tells you like you can customize, and you want to do all that way you get notified whenever I do a video. And that really helps push my videos out into the world, into the YouTube world. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. You take care of each other. Bye, guys.